Hello fabulous ladies, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we embrace fashion, style, beauty and all things fabulous. Today I'm unboxing something I'm excited about. The Hollyland Lark M1 digital wireless microphone, and mine is a solo kit. I've been wanting to upgrade my audio for a while now, especially for my styling videos, and this mic seems like a perfect fit. I used to film with this shotgun microphone and this Boya wired lapel microphone, but both had their challenges. The shotgun microphone picked up too much environmental noise, and this wired lapel microphone was just not practical, especially when filming my styling videos where I frequently change outfits. So I decided that it was time to invest in a wireless mic that is more versatile. Let's get started. First, let me explain why I went with the Hollyland Lark M1 solo kit. I did a lot of research and I considered the popular options like the DJI mic and the Rode mics, but they were a bit out of my budget. The Hollyland Lark M1 is a much more affordable option, coming in at around £57, 97 Australian dollars, 70 US dollars, and 1,300 rands, depending on where you are buying it from. I got mine from Amazon. This solo kit comes with one transmitter and one receiver, which is perfect for me because I usually film alone and I don't have guests on my channel yet. So one mic is all I need. The fact that it's wireless is a huge plus, especially for my styling videos where I move around a lot. I can simply clip it onto my shirt or blouse and speak directly into it and not worry about environmental noise and wires interfering. It's also great for vlogging, and it can be used for cameras, laptops, smartphones, and even tablets. Talk about versatility. Now, let's open it up and see what's inside. The packaging is simple but sleek, and I love how compact everything is. And this is what the box looks like. Let's open it. Okay. Wow, I love this already. So this is a carry case and I think it's for storage. Let's see what's inside. Okay, this is what I'm seeing so far. Let me take out the things one by one. First is the transmitter. Let me open it. Wow, this is super small and lightweight, and I guess that's what makes it easy to clip onto your shirt or blouse. And then we have the receiver, and this plugs onto your camera, your laptop, your phone or your tablet. This is slightly bigger than the transmitter. And side by side, they look like this. And then for the cables, there is a USB-C charging cable for easy charging. And then some cables to connect to your laptop, phone, camera, I think. These ones look similar, but this one has got a different color. I'm not so sure what these are for yet. And the user manual to set it all up. And then it also comes with this windshield to attach to your receiver when you are filming outside. Let's do this. Okay. Wow. There you go. And the transmitter also has a clip at the back, so you can attach it directly onto your clothing like this. like so. And then I can also speak directly into it like this. I'm sure you've seen some YouTubers and vloggers holding these types of mics around, and now I'm going to be one of them. Let's talk about the settings that really stand out to me. First is the plug and play setup. You just connect your receiver to your device, switch everything on, and you're good to go. No complicated settings required. And it also has noise cancellation. And this is the button, which is great because with my old shotgun mic, it would pick up every sound from cars outside to random background noises. But with this mic, I can speak clearly and it will focus on my voice only. Even though I'll use it mainly for my styling videos, I think it's also perfect for vlogging too. If you're walking around and filming on the go, the wireless design and strong range means you don't have to be worried about being tethered to your camera or to your phone. So why is this perfect for my styling videos? Well, this is going to make filming my styling videos so much easier. When I'm filming my outfit changes, I need to be able to freely move around, and this mic allows me to do just that. And the other thing is the sound range of 200 meters. And that means I can move away from my camera for about 200 meters and the sound will still be loud and clear. Plus, because the mic picks up audio directly from me, I won't have to worry about extra noise ruining my videos. And now, let us put it to the test, shall we? Let me remove this, the lapel mic, and then I'll put this to my camera. And I'm back. We are all set now. The mic is on, the receiver is on, and this is how you know it's on. There's a blue light. There you go. So the mic is on, and this is the sound. And then let's put the windshield. Is it any better? Can you tell the difference? 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2 testing, 1, 2 testing. I'll only be able to listen to the sound quality of this mic later on in post-production. But for now, I'll let you be the judge of it. What do you think? Do you like the sound? Is it any better? I'll be sure to let you know what I think in a future video. And then to switch it off, here's the on and off button. Once it's off, the blue light is gonna go off. And for those who are interested in tech or camera gear, you might be interested in a previous unboxing video which I did for my Canon R50 camera. Be sure to check it out, and in fact, I'm going to link it at the end of this video. Be sure to check it out. So, that's the unboxing of the Hollyland Lark M1 digital wireless microphone. I'm so excited to start using this in my future videos and share the results with you. If you are a content creator or vlogger looking for an affordable and practical mic to use, I would really recommend that you check this one out. It is budget friendly, it is versatile, and it is super easy to use. Perfect for content creators like me who want great audio without breaking the bank. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and I'll see you in the next video. And hopefully you will notice the improved audio quality. Bye.